guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who do not know me, I'm Dr. Muskan and I'm a MPS graduate from Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore. You can follow me on my Instagram handle, that's a medical diary, and know more about my journey to becoming a doctor in the NHS. I gave my PLAB 1 in Feb and I am right now studying to give my PLAB 2. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to book a PLAB 1 seat successfully. As GMC has released the notice that they would be releasing all the seats for Feb 2023, May 2023 and August 2023 on 25th June. It is really important to book your seat on 25th of June, because if you don't, only choice you have is to book the November 2023 seat or to get a cancellation seat, which is actually really hard to get these days. Also, as GMC has not told anything about 𝐎𝐭𝐡𝐞𝐫, the process, if the pattern is going to change. It's really important for you all, if you're planning to come on this PLAB journey and you want to become a doctor in the NHS, it's really important for you to book a seat on 25th of June when they release it for Feb, May and August. So let's talk about how to actually book a seat fast and what are the tips and tricks to successfully book a seat.
Please log in half an hour early. Okay. So a lot of people ask, why do we need to log in half an hour early? So there are like two reasons to it. One, that whenever you log in half an hour early, you need to go to the location and the seats which are already available in case there are any seats available in any location. Like if you want seat in India, but if any seats available in Egypt, Dubai, anywhere, you need to see those, because when new seats are added, they are just added alphabetically. Secondly, there are going to be like millions of people trying to log in on the GMC website. So you do not want to risk waiting in the line, because there's usually like a line, and the GMC gives you like a number that you're probably fourth, fifth, 25th in line. So you do not want to be in line when the seats are released. So it's much better you start logging in half an hour before, and you might just get in that time, you might not, you might just take like 5 minutes or something. But do not log in like just at the time when they're going to release the seats. Also, third thing, a lot of times while you're trying to log in, your account might get logged. So you do not want to risk that just before your seats are being released. So if you log in half an hour before, and by chance, in case you do something and your account gets locked, you can always call up the GMC helpline and your account would be unlocked. But if you do that right before the seats are going to be released, the chances of you getting a seat is going to be approximately nil. So you do not want that, of course. So when you log in into your GMC online portal, this is what you're going to see. And one thing you need to first check if your English test is verified or not. Like you go to My Test, then English, and you check if it's GMC approved or not. And make sure this is done before 21st of June, because you can only book a PLAB 1 seat on 25th June 2022 if your English exam is verified by the GMC by 21st. So make sure this step is done before. Okay, so once you log in, you just be on the portal. Don't try to go and try to see if seats are released multiple times. I'll tell you a trick when to check and where to check. So, first thing first, keep a BST clock in front of you. So, have a split screen or maybe have a laptop or any other device in front of you. Preferably, try to book a seat with using a laptop. I by experience of my friends and like a couple of people have told me that they tried booking it through their iPad or any other tablet, and it was not a smooth experience. Whereas I booked it through my laptop and it was actually pretty fine. So yeah, first thing, use your laptop. So either you can keep a BST clock in, like a split screen, or you can have it open on your phone, your tablet, anything. But make sure you have a BST clock in front of you with seconds. So you should know, like, usually seats are released at 10:30 a.m. BST. So you should really see like 10:29 and the, seconds. So now what to do? At 10:29, okay, you click on test bookings. So you go on my test and you go on test bookings at 10:29. Okay. At 10:29, you go on test booking and don't do anything right now. Okay. So at 10:29:05, you click on book test, which is right here. Okay. So after you click on book test, there's gonna be like they give you some instructions, and there's a box where you have to like agree to all of the above. So you click on it, but do not go and click on continue with booking. Okay, so I'll repeat. 10:29, you go on my test booking, you click on book a test, and you click on that small box. Do not move forward. At 10:30:03, like I'm telling you, because I'm telling you like literally this precise, because this thing really helped me and helped my friends book their exam. So 10:30:03, you click on continue with booking, and right there, seats would be there. In case seats are not there, do not, uh, refresh or go back. Just wait for it and seats would come. In my case, I still remember I saw Bangalore seat first. I literally clicked on it 10:30:05, and it said all seats are booked. I clicked then Bangalore, yeah, that was Bangalore Feb. Then I clicked on Bangalore May, again seats were booked. Then I saw Chennai, I clicked that was booked. Then Hyderabad came. So I think last year they were just rolling it out one by one. I don't know how they do that, or if they release all at once, or maybe after like 2-3 seconds. But I'm telling you, if you don't see any seat, just wait. Do not go back. Like literally, don't ever go back or refresh. Seats are gonna come. So that is one thing. So when you see the seats, make sure you are quick enough to book a seat of your preferred date and the venue. So if you want it like India, Dubai, UK, anywhere, make sure you're clicking the right date and like the right venue. Okay, so move your hand like immediately and literally just be focused, and it's really gonna just happen in like seconds or like even milliseconds. So as soon as you book a venue, and if all the seats are gone, you're going to see a message that all seats, like no seats are available, or all seats are already booked. Then you have to go back and check another venue or date. But if that message is not shown, you'll be taken to the payment page. So if you're at the payment page, you're relatively like a little safe. You have around 10 to 20 minutes where your seat is blocked and you can make the payment. Make sure you have 2 to 3 cards which allow international payment. So a lot of my friends, they faced issue that their card was getting declined, and I saw in a couple of WhatsApp groups that a lot of people's seats actually went away because the card was declined 2-3 times and the time was up. So make sure you have a card which allows international payment, and make sure you have like at least two of them, so that if one doesn't work, you have a backup. Lastly, after you're done with the payment, you're gonna get a confirmation mail by the GMC, and once you get that, you're good to go. So I know it's a very overwhelming process, And because like a lot of people are applying and they're like very limited number of seats, it's really hard. And recently GMC just announced that they would be releasing 2023 Feb, May, and August seats all together, and not like in batches like they said before. So a lot of people are struggling because they didn't give their English exam. I completely understand, and I know how disheartening all this is. So if you're one of them where you've got a chance to book a seat on 25th of June, make sure you use it nicely. Whoever is going to book their seat on 25th of June, good luck. Let me know in the comment section if you actually got the seat, if this method helped you. This method helped me and a couple of my friends. So I really hope that it helps all of you also. So just to revise the time stamps again, um, so you log in at 10 a.m. BST. That's half an hour before the seats are going to be out. At 10:29 a.m., you go to My Tests and book seat. Okay, 10:29 a.m. At 10:30:03, like please be accurate with the timings. You go on continue with booking, and there you go. You would see all your seats, and I really hope all of you get the date and the venue you guys want. Good luck. If you like this video and you found it helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel to follow my journey to becoming a doctor in the NHS. Thank you.